Hey everybody, Jake here with TrendSpider to go over the new insider trading tool that you can pair with your technical analysis to see what's going on with the insiders. Are they buying? Are they selling? Are they adding supply to the market? So I want to go over an example of Facebook here. And Facebook has really done nothing for the last 6 months. Pretty much since August to mid-February, the price has literally just is range bound and has done nothing. So, the question comes in, is there some underlying force that's kind of keeping this down? Is there any selling pressure that's happening? And this is where it'd be nice to know what's happening on the insider side of things. So if you go to the sidebar here and you click add or remove widgets, go to the bottom, add new widget here, and you can see that we have an insider trading widget now available on TrendSpider. So click that and then click done, and you'll quickly see that pretty much exactly what we were just talking about. Mark Zuckerberg and a few other directors and just executives have been selling now for months, just constant sells. And so you can see here pretty much since the mid-November, these pretty almost daily sales have been happening all the way up until last week. And so what's interesting here is you can now pair technical analysis with these insider transactions, and you can say, okay, well, now it makes a little more sense why this is range bound. You have a lot of these directors, executives selling, and that's definitely probably adding to the supply on the market. So you can see here the different types of sells here, when that happened. You can see these different bars are showing how many shares have been sold, and then you can actually filter this through directors, officers, 10% owners. So if you wanted to just see 10% owners, you can see there are none for Facebook, but you can go and see, let's say directors, and you can see all of these different directors here that have sold over the last year or so. So this is something that is really powerful to complement your technical analysis and see, okay, well, it makes sense now that the price action is stagnant because we have all of this supply that keeps getting dumped on the market pretty much almost on a daily basis. So obviously, these sells are not, a ton relative to some of the daily volume on Facebook, but it's still just constant supply being dumped on the market, and it is some of the bigger names in the company. So being able to use this really helps you complement your technical analysis. You can see kind of a visual here of when these happen with this graph, and then you can see in this case how the insider ownership diagram. So in this case, how many shares does Mark Zuckerberg own? He still owns 1.9 million shares, but it is interesting that he has been selling off now for literally months at this point. So definitely a great tool to use to complement what you're seeing on the chart. If you have any questions, let us know, but this is definitely a feature that you want to try out on the TrendSpider platform. Everybody have a great day, and thanks for watching.